Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we will be talking about the cheapest 5G phone yet, and that is Realme Narzo 30 Pro. The pricing of this phone in India will be around 17,000 rupees. So without further wasting any time, let's check out the phone itself. So first of all, let's talk about what comes in the box along with the smartphone itself. First of all, you will find a Clearview style case to protect your phone and still able to enjoy beautiful design. So other than the case, we also get 30-watt dart charger along with the USB-C cable. Last but not the least, we also get SIM ejection tool. So guys, if you are wondering, earphone doesn't come inside the box. So let's talk about the design of the phone. Back panel of this phone is made out of glass stick, but still it doesn't feel cheap in the hand. And the design of the phone is not very bold, it is more of like a subtle design, and this phone is available in blue and black color. Okay guys, let's talk about the display of this phone. This phone features a 6.5 inches FHD plus display with 120Hz fast refresh rate. It is very sad to see the absence of Super AMOLED screen, but at least we got 120Hz fast refresh rate and a 180Hz touch sampling rate. If we talk about the bezels of this phone, they are very small and gives us a 83.7 screen to body ratio. Guys, we also do get Corning Gorilla Glass 3 at the front. So let's move towards the specification of this phone. Performance is the biggest highlight of this phone. Guys, you get Dimensity 800U 5G processor, which is based on the 7nm chip, 5000 mAh battery which also supports 30-watt dart charge, which can charge your phone 50% in 25 minutes and 100% in around 65 minutes. This phone will come in two variants, 664 and 8128. As the absence of dedicated SIM slot, I think 8128 variant will be the best choice. At the back we get a triple camera setup. We get 48 megapixels primary camera, 8 megapixels ultra wide lens and 2 megapixels macro lens. And at the front we do get 16 megapixel in-display selfie camera. This phone also capable of recording 4K videos at 30 frames per second. So guys, overall this phone is a great bargain. Guys, if you are looking at a good performance phone which is also future proof, look no further, because Realme Narzo 30 Pro will perform all the tasks thrown at it like a champ. And at the end, thank you guys for watching.